Are you looking to integrate Object Cache Pro and optimize your WordPress site's performance? In this tutorial, we will learn how to integrate Object Cache Pro with xCloud in a few clicks. So let's get started. First, log into your xCloud account and go to Team Settings from the top right menu. From the left menu, go to the Others option of Integrations, from where we can connect Object Cache Pro. Next, hit the Integrate New Item button and enter the label and license key of your Object Cache Pro credentials on the pop-up. Once done, simply hit the Add Item button and it will be integrated instantly. Now, head over to the site where you want to enable Object Cache Pro. From the left side menu, select Caching from the WordPress options. Scroll down to find Object Cache Pro and toggle on to enable it. Select the account you have integrated. You can also enable debug mode if needed. Once done, hit the Save Changes button and the Object Cache Pro will be integrated successfully with your site. And that's it. This will help improve your site's performance, reduce database queries, and ensure a faster user experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video.